Hi, it's Dr. Mercola, and today I want to talk to you about a special type of probiotic you may not be familiar with, one that uses soil-based organisms that produce spores. So why would you need a soil-based probiotic? Well, spores can provide a wide variety of benefits for your gut health. They can recondition your gut and prepare it for probiotics that help repopulate your gut microbiome. So spores are very resilient and resist breakdown from the enzymes and acids in your stomach as they travel to your small intestine. Also, they're not killed by antibiotics, which means you can take them if you're put on antibiotics for whatever reasons, and this will help support your healthy gut microflora. And once the spores reach your small intestine, they germinate and begin to grow and help balance your gut microbiome. Some people wonder if they need a regular probiotic or a spore-based one. Well, the simple answer is many people will benefit from both. It just depends on your specific individual circumstances. So we've designed our complete Spore Restore to be taken with complete probiotics. Well, this is a crude analogy. You can think of complete Spore Restore as the gardener that pulls the weeds and prepares the soil for new seeds to be planted. And those new seeds are the complete probiotics, which replace the beneficial plants in your garden. Or in the case of your gut, they reseed the new beneficial bacteria. So what types of organisms are in complete Spore Restore? We include 3 different types of bacillus species that support digestion and assimilation of your food and nutrients. In addition to these 3 bacillus species, complete Spore Restore contains another useful species, Prebiotics, which acts as an immune modulator for a healthy, normal immune response. But it doesn't stop there, as we also added an organic mushroom blend of lion's mane, turkey tail, and shiitake, which serve as prebiotics to help the probiotics work even more effectively. So if you have any type of gut challenge that hasn't responded to other probiotic formulas, please consider adding complete Spore Restore to help you take control of your gut health.